Well, here's a simple Python code. And can you find the correct output of this code? You can pause the video to think for a moment. So you might have thought the correct output of this code is definitely error by 0. Well, that's not the case. And it also don't print true or false. It prints high. Well, if you didn't understand this code, let me explain. So this is the code, and here we need to understand only this part because we have to see how it's evaluated. Well, actually, if you thought it's evaluated like this, x and y, and then 10 and y, and this will give error, well, that's not the case here. Instead, the correct way of evaluating this is like this. The end chain will be evaluated first, and then the Python will go for the rest one. So here, the x is 5, then this, and then there's 0, there's 10 by 0. So what happens is that when Python see 5 and 0, 0 means false. So it automatically assumes the rest of the AND part is also going to be false. As logically, if AND have one part false, then rest of it is also false. That's why it doesn't calculate 10 by 0. So we got false here, and false or high means high is true. A string is considered true. That's why we got high as the output.